In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend clips in Google Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a video that's already in your project and push the story forward using a simple text prompt. We'll keep it clear, quick, and practical so you can repeat the process with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Labs Google Effects. This is the main entry point for Google's creative tools, and it's where you'll access Flow. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the project assets and tools initialize properly. If you ever land on a landing page or overview, that's normal. Just continue from there into the Flow tool. Next, click on Launch Flow. This opens the Flow interface where your existing projects are visible. You should see a dashboard or workspace with your recent work. If it takes a few seconds, that's fine. Larger projects can take a moment to populate. Once you're in, you're ready to work with your video. Now, choose an existing project that already has a video in it. Click directly on that project to open it. It's best to pick a project where you know which clip you want to extend because Flow will build on the context that's already there. If you have multiple timelines or scenes, make sure you're in the one with the clip you want to continue. Inside the project, look for the option labeled What Happens Next, and then click on the video itself to focus it. This tells Flow which clip you want to build from. You should see the clip details or editing panel become active, confirming you're targeting the right piece. If you click the wrong clip, simply select the correct one before moving on. In the prompt area, type your instructions to continue the video. Be specific and grounded in what's already on screen. Mention the subject, the action you want next, and any important visual cues like lighting, pacing, or camera movement. Short, clear sentences work best. Think, the camera pushes in as the subject turns toward the window, or continue the walk forward into the hallway with soft morning light. Keep the style consistent with the existing footage for a smooth transition. Finally, click Generate. Flow will interpret your prompt and extend the clip based on what you described. Processing time can vary with complexity, so give it a moment. If the result isn't quite right, refine your wording and generate again with clearer details or tighter constraints. And that's it. Open Flow, pick your project, target the clip, describe what happens next, and generate the extension. You're ready to keep your story moving.